Welcome to At Home with Tracie. I'm Tracie Smith McCarthy, founder and principal interior designer with Design Theory in Portland, Oregon. A couple things I want to share that happened in the last couple days. I'm wearing the Oakley AI glasses. Do you like them? And they kill my face. They are so tight. I think I'm gonna take them back. They're prescription. So I'm not gonna be unpaying because I'm wearing these all the time. And they're progressives. And so they give me a headache. Oh, they are so tight back here. And you can't adjust the AI glasses. The next great news is I am going to receive a grant that will allow me to get new windows and create a very energy efficient home. So I'm excited about that. If you don't know, I had renters in here. They kind of vandalized my house, unfortunately. They broke out all the windows upstairs, put lots of holes in the walls. Luckily, I had a friend who he was a lifesaver and came in and had people come in and clean and take stuff to the dump, and because there was a lot of stuff here, and fill up the holes and fix some of the windows that were on the first floor, right? The upstairs still needs windows. So that grant will help me get windows, amongst a lot of other things. But I'll keep you posted on that. I'm sure I'll be filming some of that. I don't know when they're going to start. It's probably going to be sometime next month, late next month. But yeah, I'm really excited about that. I deserve it. And then the other piece of good news is the arch will be here on Monday. So it's not going to take 2.5 weeks. Didn't take 1.5 weeks. It's going to be here on Monday. Just a week. That's it. Oh, also, I think I'm going to go to once a week. So instead of Sunday and Wednesday, I will do just Sundays. I want to make sure whatever I share brings some type of value and it's enjoyable, and I have just stuff to share about the progress of the house. At least long form videos. It'll be once a week, go to once a week. I will post on Sunday, and so this will be my last Wednesday, or for now, I might choose to pick it up later. But yeah, I think that's all. And I look forward to seeing you on Sunday. And toodaloo. Toodaloo.